And look, chat, we are fucking done. This bitch is running. Yo, what's good, chat? So, hopefully, this is the last part to PC upgrade. If you know ball, and if y'all know been you know what I'm saying, up to date or been tuned in to the series, I've been upgrading my first PC and my second PC. This is my first PC. This was my first PC original motherboard. This is a Windows 10. Terrible, you know what I'm saying? So upgraded my first PC to a Windows 11, and I'm upgraded my daily PC with a new motherboard for gaming type shit, because I want to do more gaming streams and shit like that. You feel me? So this should be the last upgrade. Everything has been installed. I installed a new processor. Y'all niggas know that I bought a processor. This bitch is here. My new processor. Without knowing. This processor has pins. And I'm taking out the default processor that doesn't have pins, because this one has pins already in the motherboard. You know what I'm saying? So I bought a processor. Then I ended up buying another processor. Hey, chat, so this is for the niggas that know ball, and for the niggas that don't know ball, we got the processor. You feel me? That actually works for my motherboard. So everything's been hooked up. So I just, you know what I'm saying, grab RAM. You feel me? This was the best RAM I saw on the market. That was, you know what I'm saying, it was like, okay, boom, work for my shit. You feel me? So finna install this RAM. All right, as you guys can see, my RAM pieces are in. This was the fan that came out of the processor that I didn't mean to buy. So yeah, this is the fan that came out of there. My attended processor is in. Yeah, I really had to clean this motherfucker out. I had to take this off just to get this motherboard in, because the casing is literally not the size for the motherboard. So I kind of like, you know what I'm saying, made shit work. You feel me? Until I get me a new casing, and then I move everything over. But yeah, RAM is in, new motherboard, new fan, new processors, new everything, bro. This shit is wild.